Okay, video of a 2008 1950 Tyee coming to you on my new iPhone because the old one crapped out. Sorry this took so long. One thing about the boat I'll say, well, they gave me all the boxes for the depth finders and everything. Hard to find a scratch on it. Okay, I'll climb in a minute here, and I'm in a warehouse, so we're a little tight, but here's the outside. All the snaps you see are for the snap-on travel cover, the bimini top, the side curtains. It's got them all. Honest to goodness, that's about the worst scratch on it right there. Okay, 80-pound iPilot. Registration's good, swing tongue, spare tire, trailer brakes obviously, tandem axle trailer. Removable bracket for the Minn Kota. That's a 520C Lowrance, 520C. The puck that's there, I think he used to have a 3500 global map, and that's gone. So now he just has the depth finder with GPS built in, pucks built in. Ship to shore radio, there's your VHS antenna. That Lowrance is an HDS 8, Gen 2, structure scan. Kind of tight in here, but you can kind of get a good look at the hull. Couple of sliding rod mounts. I saw one here, maybe just one. Might be another one over there somewhere. There it is. And this is what it looks like. So jump seats in the rear. Sorry, I'm climbing in. Bimini top, hides on the bottom. Carpeting is in good shape, really not a lot of stains, anything like that. There's your Lowrance VHF, your Sony AM/FM CD, HDS 8. This one has the rod locker in the floor. Oop, cover's in there, sorry. That's the rod locker. And then the bow is the convertible bow where that section pops out. I mean, the carpeting looks like it's been fished out of, but taken well care of. I guess that's the best way I can put it. Here's the batteries, and there's a 3-bank onboard charger. Okay, that's what I got for you. Let me know how I can help.